Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about React events. So let's see what is it. Just like HTML DOM events, React can also action based on the user events. Okay, so React has same event as HTML, click, change, mouse over or etc. Okay, so here on screen you can see that I have given the event here, and if I'm clicking the click me, then it will automatically provide me the number like this. You can see there is an event. I have click, change, mouse over, etc. Like the HTML way, we can also work on the React also. So I hope you understood how to do this. We will see how to work on it. So how we have created that? There's nothing like, once you try this code now, you will be able to do that. So I will show you some code here. I'm just showing you how I added this. How is it working? What I have done. So I have given the countdown. So from like from 0 to 6 or from 0 to 10, how many times you can add. Whenever you write the click me, it will pause. Okay. You can, whenever you just click me, then it will start again. So that is how you can create it. Okay. So React events are written in a same case syntax, on click instead of on click. So React has a handler right inside the brackets. We usually write the handler are written inside the curly braces, like on click is equal to shoot. So here on screen you can see that I have given the button. Fine. I am writing one button. Then after that I will write click on me. Okay. Compiling. So button is created. Fine. On screen you can see that button is created here. Fine. So this button should work according to the number. Okay. So how to do that? We have to work on that. Fine. So inside that we will create codes here for that. Okay. So in that case we have to mention, I have given the set count of count plus 1. So it will increment 1 and again. So I have to just mention whatever I have mentioned here. So I have to mention whatever the inside the button, I will mention the shoot. Okay, just for example, I am mentioning the shoot here. Fine. The same thing I will mention over there. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do this. So here on screen you can see that I have created the button, and for that I have to make some changes. So in that case what I will do, I will just set the count first. So here I have set the count and set count. User test is equal to 0. So it will start by the 0, and const on click handler, and then set count plus 1. So it will increment. Now if I'm clicking, nothing is working right now. So I have to make it connection between the set count and the button. How to make that connection? Okay. So in that case, how to make, for making that connection, I have to write something, right? Because the things are ready, that it will increment from the 0 and everything, and button is created, but they are not linked together. For linking them, I am using on click equal to, inside the bracket I will write, you can mention any name. For example, I am writing button click. Okay, button click handler. Fine. I have given one name, button click handler. After that, after writing this button click handler, the same thing I will write here. You can see const button click handler is already mentioned. So if I'm going to run this code, and so it will start working by the 0 and it will be incremented. Okay, I have not given any limit how many times it will increment it. I have just set the it will increment. For now I am rewriting console log clicked, and then dot console log dot. Okay, and clicked. Fine. So compiling, I am compiling this. Once I click it, so it is working. See, this is now working. So that is how we need to create it. Fine. I hope you understood how to do it. You just need to set, you have to link it. You are writing the code, but if the two codes are not linking together, there is no use. So you have to link it. So here the button clicked handle linked this code together. So now these codes are working. So that is how you need to work in case of the events. Fine. Here we are passing the arguments from here and there, so you can work with the help of that. You can see the console, inside the console how it is working. You can see the inspect how these things are working together. So on screen all the codes will be available here. Person is defined but never used. Okay, these are the types of details that are mentioned. You can check all the details in the inspect. You just right click and you will get the inspect, and if there is any error, yeah, it is working in this also. Okay, so that is how it is working now. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to React. Thank you so much.